Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back, and thanks for clicking on this video. Today's product is one that I'm genuinely excited about, the Spanish wireless mechanical keyboard Spanish, Russian, Arabic, Korean mechanical keyboard Bluetooth 68 keys 60% Layout K68 for PCL. Let me paint a picture for you. You need a reliable product, something that just works. But every time you order something online, you feel like you're rolling the dice. Will it be good? Will it fall apart in a week? It's stressful, right? Well, I have great news. The Spanish wireless mechanical keyboard Spanish, Russian, Arabic, Korean mechanical keyboard Bluetooth 68 keys 60% Layout K68 for PCL is exactly the kind of product that restores your faith in online shopping. It's well made, it performs beautifully, and the design is absolutely on point. This is the solution you've been looking for. Oh, and did I mention there's a discount going on right now? You can get the Spanish wireless mechanical keyboard Spanish, Russian, Arabic, Korean mechanical keyboard Bluetooth 68 keys 60% Layout K68 for PCL for only US $63.18. That's a limited time price, so you'll want to act fast. What really sets this product apart is the reviews. People are genuinely loving it. We're seeing 5-star ratings pouring in from customers across more than 30 countries worldwide. That kind of global recognition tells you everything you need to know about the quality. If you want to grab this deal, just click the link in the description to go straight to the order page. Alright everyone, that's all for today. If you liked this video, smash that like button, leave a comment telling me what you think, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Peace out, and I'll see you soon.